So to get our curls defined, we have to start by brushing the hair. It has to be very smooth. The brushing has to be very smooth. So I'm going to be using my brush, hair brush, to brush it. I have to brush every side. This should be what it looks like after brushing. Very full. The volume should be there. Then we're going to define the curls now. Before we go ahead to define the curls, we have to style the closure area. This is a 5x5 closure, so we have to go ahead and style the closure area before we define the remaining rest of the curls. So now we're going to style the closure area. So I'm just giving it a C-part form. So I'll go ahead and apply my heat protector and spray. Now clip this side. So I'll start working with this other side first. So we're required to define the curls now. So for defining the curls, I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner, then my spray bottle, also my hair mousse, and lastly my coil alarm. So we're going to mix everything together inside this container with water. So we mix the three together inside the water. Spray bottle with water, leave-in conditioner, coil alarm, and you use them most last. So I've mixed my coil alarm and leave-in conditioner inside my spray bottle, and I will go with my mousse also. So let's section the hair to start applying our treatment. So go ahead and brush it first. It has to be very smooth for brushing. And we'll apply our leave-in conditioner mixed with coil alarm. You have to apply it very richly. It has to be very wet. And we're going to dye Emos. So we're going to take our detangling brush, or you call it octopus brush. So you comb very well, comb from the upper part, ensure the combing is smooth, comb very well. So you comb it in and out very well. And this is now where the work happens. This part, you comb it, then you fold the brush. You comb it, then you fold the brush. You comb it, then you fold the brush. That's why you achieve your curls. Then you squeeze it. So that way the curls comes out very well. Once it's dry, you can see the curls are already coming out. But once it's dry, it will be very beautiful. So let's continue with the same procedure. So this is the closure area we're about to work on now. So for the closure area, we won't touch this part at all. We won't touch the part where the closure is. It's just the area that we're going to touch. So that it won't ruin the style we've already done. So just spraying the leave-in conditioner and coil from this side to this side. I won't touch this part.
Kaki berada original dan semata-mata.
So after doing all that, this is what we have with the curls. Then we're going to use our hot comb to do the final styling again. So it will lead just the way we want it. You know the part I said we're not going to touch, that's what I'm touching now. So make sure it blends in and it's smooth. Try holding spray a bit. Lastly, we are going to be applying our hair serum to give it a shine. So when it's just dry, it just have the natural shine. We are going to leave it to dry under the shade, not direct sunlight. Note, because if you dry your curly hair under direct sunlight, it's going to be strong and you don't like the feel. You'll dry it under the shade till it's dry completely, then we'll see the result when it's dry. So this is the dry state of our hair. You can see the way it's looking very fine. The curls are popping up very well. So that's the way you're going to define your curls. All we're just doing is just removing the elastic band we put there to style the closure area. Then that's the finished look. So that's just the easy way to style your curly hair. There's nothing difficult in styling your curly hair. It's very easy and it's very easy to do. So this is where you style it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up, and also like and share with your family and friends who might be interested in videos like this. We'll see you in our next video. We love you. Bye.